ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. Yeah, let's talk about it. Okay, when you're starting on your college journey, never need to worry. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. It's a test, that's true, but don't let it scare you. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. If you listen to this rhyme, you'll do just fine. Get your head in the game and log online and do review. Do review. It's the math section. Here we go, come on. Yeah, so first up we got some introductory lines. You need to know that this test ain't timed and it's on a computer, so you can pack a light. Just bring a pencil or eraser and you'll be alright. No calculators allowed, cause that'd be cheating. And the test is online, so you can expect to be seen. A digital calculator will pop right up on your screen, cause the test knows when you'll be needing that machine. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. Listen to this rhyme and you'll do just fine. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. Yeah, so come well rested and dressed for success. Get in the ACCUPLACER zone. Yeah, it's real low stress. Multiply, divide, add, and subtract. It's order of operations to stay on track and keep the pace. But remember that there's no time limit. Just run the race because we're in it to win. ACCUPLACER. 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 Hey, when you're starting on your college journey, never need to worry. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. It's a test, that's true, but don't let it scare you. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. If you listen to this rhyme, you'll do just fine. Get your head in the game and log online to do review. Do review. It's the math section. Here we go.
Welcome to the math section of the ACCUPLACER test prep. We are so thrilled to have you here. Congratulations on preparing for the ACCUPLACER and getting one step closer to your goals.
Now it's time to talk math, everyone's favorite. You are about to be led through the math sections. The math sections of the ACCUPLACER consist of the following 3 topics: arithmetic and numerical skills with 17 questions, elementary algebra with 12 fun questions, and college level math with 20 questions. Pay attention and good luck.
We will begin the math review by learning more about each topic. So let's start by breaking down the first section, which is arithmetic. The main topics covered in this section are operating with whole numbers, fractions, decimals, percentages, and then some applications and problem-solving questions as well.
Okay, I think I have whole numbers down, but I'm feeling shaky about fractions, decimals, and percentages. What should I do?
No need to panic. I'll show you how to study those topics on Khan Academy videos. Khan Academy is an excellent resource with lots of practice problems and videos that can help you study for the math section. And so below this video, you will see a document titled Khan Academy Math Videos, and that will direct you to helpful sections related to all the topics we have mentioned here.
Okay, so I open up the document titled Khan Academy Math Videos and also go to khanacademy.org. I click on Subjects and then go to Math and search for the videos looking at the document.
Yes, correct. You can always also search in the search bar as well. So let's look for fractions. So go back to the Khan Academy, math videos link. Go down to fractions on the left-hand side, and so then on the right-hand side you see arithmetic, and then down to fractions. So go back to Khan Academy, go up to subjects, math, down to arithmetic, and then down to fractions. And you can start with the introduction of understanding fractions.
Wow, there are a lot of videos on here. This is great.
Yes, there are lots of videos, so feel free to watch what you feel you need to watch in order to be successful and understand the content. There are also practice problems mixed in as well, so if you feel comfortable, it would be a great idea to go through some of those practice problems before moving on to another section.
Oh, I see. The circles with the star shows that this section is practice questions. Let's see what I know right now.
Not correct. Please.
Oh no, it looks like I'll need to watch a few more videos before I move on to the next section.
Sounds like a great plan. You can do that once we finish going over the other sections of math. Now let's try it looking at our next math section, elementary algebra, with 12 questions. This section covers operating with integers, rational numbers, algebraic expressions, solutions of equations, inequalities, and word problems.
Oh, I already know I need to review all of these. Let's start with inequalities. So I go to the document and I find inequalities under the algebraic basics. And then I go to Khan Academy, subjects, math, algebra basics, and linear equations and inequalities. Now I can watch these videos and do these practice problems until I feel comfortable with linear inequalities. Oh, and I should also take notes.
Perfect! You are doing a wonderful job of utilizing the resources that you have available to you, and I know that will make you super successful in college as well. So now let's go over the last section of the math, which is college level math, with 20 questions. The topics in college level math include algebraic operations, solutions of equations and inequalities, coordinate geometry, and trigonometry and functions.
Great. I'm so ready to start studying and crunching numbers in my calculator.
Stop. Calculators are not allowed when you are taking the ACCUPLACER. If you ever need a calculator, it will pop up on the screen for you. Otherwise, you have plenty of time, as it is an on-time test, to pull out your scratch paper and write problems out on your scratch piece of paper.
Great. Well, now that I have all the information that I need about the math section and I know how to use Khan Academy, I'm going to take the time to practice some math.
Yes, you should now all take the time to review the math section, especially focusing on areas where you know you need to focus on. And of course, if you still feel like you have questions, reach out to those around you, whether that's math teachers or your college possible coach, or looking for more resources that we've provided here on our site as well.
Perfect. Will do. Bye.
Bye!
ACCUPLACER, ACCUPLACER. Hey, when you're starting on your college journey, never need to worry. ACCUPLACER, ACCUPLACER. It's a test, that's true, but don't let it scare you. ACCUPLACER, ACCUPLACER. If you listen to this rhyme, you'll do just fine. Get your head in the game and log online. Do review, do review. It's the math section. Here we go. Stepping up from basic math into another path. We be repping all these numbers, putting them on a graph. Slope formula, rise over run. What equals mx plus b? Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So review geometry online at Khan Academy. We gotta see some effort here to get your memory in gear. And let's be clear with SOHCAHTOA. Trigonometry was short, but a little time with 369 will keep your mind from blowing up. Yeah, ACCUPLACER. You'll do just fine. Just go online. ACCUPLACER, ACCUPLACER. Do review. Do review. Yeah. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. Yeah. Let's talk about it. Okay. When you're starting on your college journey, never need to worry. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. It's a test, that's true, but don't let it scare you. ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER. If you listen to this rhyme, you'll do just fine. Get your head in the game and log online and do review. Do review. It's the math section. Here we go. Come on.